Hello guys and girls, welcome to my channel, the Daily Motivation Network. Today I'll be teaching you guys 5 ways that will help you get out of rut and into the cleaning process. But before we dig into it, I am going to ask you guys and girls that do you have a hard time motivating yourselves to do the dishes, laundry, cleaning and all? If yes, there's nothing to worry about, because if you follow all the steps that I'm going to tell you in this video, it'll never ever happen again. I promise you that. So without further ado, let's roll the clip. Number 1. Have a friend come over to help. It might be hard to get them there, but if you offer some wine and pizza, I am sure they'll be happy to oblige. And before you guys even know it, you'll be chatting while cleaning out your closets. And you'll probably be able to get rid of a lot of stuff. Second opinions are what save many people from lapsing into hoarding. Number 2. Play music. The same thing that can motivate us to get through our workouts can also get us cleaning. I suggest you guys make a 20-minute long playlist and get cleaning until the music is up. What I have noticed is that I want to keep up the good work till the last song finishes. Number 3. Have a routine. What I have noticed is that making a list of cleaning tasks to make yourself stay on track is a great way to build a habit for cleaning. So I suggest you guys and girls to take some time in making out some dates in your planner for when you'll be cleaning. This will help you stay on track. You might also find it helpful to do a little research beforehand for some cleaning techniques for an item that you have questions about. That way, you'll reduce your frustration during your cleaning. Remember, the key here is to be consistent in your work. Number 4. Don't be perfect. Remember, you are not trying to prepare for a visit from the Queen or Will and Kate. Well, Will and Kate is far more exciting than a visit from the Queen. Well, you are trying to take an hour each week and clean as much as possible without spending too much time in one particular place. For example, don't get caught up for 20 minutes for cleaning one carpet stain when you can spend the time vacuuming, making beds, and removing clutter from the living room. Frustrating yourself over one small thing can lead to losing interest in the whole process, and that's what we want to avoid. Number 5. Reward yourself. Now that you have cleaned your house, give yourself a big reward for cleaning your house. For instance, your reward can be a night out in the town or buying a nice bottle of wine. Just having something to look forward to will give you a reason to continue doing the same good work. If you like this video, then please do subscribe and like. You may also comment for some suggestions or ideas or anything that you'd like to tell me. Thank you for watching.